Air sampling techniques part 2. In this part, we will study the sampling of particulate pollutants. Particulate pollutants in the atmosphere are grouped generally into two categories. The first category is that of those that settle down due to the force of gravity, and the second category is that of those that remain suspended as aerosols. The first category consists of large particles of size greater than 10 micrometer in diameter, and they can be collected using sedimentation techniques. While in the second category, techniques like filtration, impingement, electrostatic, and thermal precipitation are used. Sedimentation technique is also known as the dust fall jar technique. Dust fall collector is used for sampling particles larger than 10 micrometer in diameter. A typical collector consists of a plastic jar of about 30 cm height and 15 cm diameter at the base, with a slight inward tapering of the walls from top to bottom. The sample is deposited over a period of time, usually 1 month, and the material is then dried and weighed. Only water insoluble dust fall is reported in milligrams per square centimeter. Since dust particles larger than 10 micrometer are seldom carried for a distance of 1 kilometer or more than that, this method lacks precision and selective and is used to show pollution trends in a specific region over a period of time. High volume filtration. High volume filtration is another method for collection of particulate pollutants, and for this the apparatus used is known as the high volume sampler. The method is used for measurement of mass concentration of suspended particulates which are smaller than 10 micrometer in size. A known volume of air is sucked by a high speed blower through a fine filter, and the increase in weight due to the trapped particles is measured. The filter is made up of fibrous material, and it provides a dense porous medium through which an air stream must change direction in a random fashion, allowing the entrained particles to impact on the filter material. A typical glass fiber filter has an efficiency of about 99% for particles of size 0.3 micrometer, and it is effective for trapping particles of 0.05 micrometer size. Sampling time is 24 hours, and during this time, over 2000 square meter of air is sucked through the filter. Analysis is gravimetric in nature. Another method for collection of samples is known as the impingement. In an impinger, the separation of particulates from the air stream takes place by collision against a flat surface. Wet impingement is used for the collection of particulates in a liquid phase. The gas breaks up into small bubbles, and the particles are collected by change in the direction of gas flow and promoting their contact with the liquid. The usual impinger used is known as the Greenberg-Smith type impinger, and it achieves 99% efficiency for particles of 1 micrometer size. Dry impinger operates on the principle of impaction on a dry surface for particle collection. These impingers are not as efficient as the wet devices for collecting smaller particles. However, they have the advantage of collecting the sample directly without the need of filtration or evaporation of liquid. Another technique for collection of particulates is known as the electrostatic precipitation. Electrostatic samplers are very efficient for collection of small particles. On entering the sampler, particles pick up charge as they pass through an electrical discharge between two electrodes, which are maintained at a potential difference of up to 30,000 volts. The smaller charged particles in a gas stream lose their charge in contact with an oppositely charged electrode, and they accumulate on the electrode. These are not as widely used for air sampling as filters, but they are more suitable for source sampling when the particle loading is high. Thermal precipitation is another method which operates on the principle that small particles under the influence of a strong temperature gradient between two surfaces have a tendency to move towards the lower temperature, and they get deposited on the colder of these two surfaces. These temperature gradients are of the order of 3000 degrees centigrade per centimeter. The collection efficiencies of thermal precipitators are quite high for small particles and are virtually 100% for particles in the size range from 10 micrometer down to 0.01 micrometer.